in this question we are given that there are 12 teams participating in a tournament. So let's write down the information first. The total teams is equal to 12 and each of the team plays exactly one game with each of the other teams. That means one team can play with 11 other teams. How many games will be played? Now there are two ways to solve this question. So let's discuss the first method first. So method 1. Now we know that one team plays exactly one game with the other team. That means one team will play with the 11 other teams, which is equal to 11 games. So if there are 12 teams, they will play a total of 11 times 12 games, which is equal to 132 games. Now notice one thing, that if A plays with B and B plays with A, that is the same game. So there is a possibility that we may have counted one game twice. So to rectify that, what we have to do is to divide this number of games by 2. So the total number of games played in the tournament will be equal to 132 by 2, which is equal to 66 games. Now this is one way of solving this question. Another method to solve this question is using the concept of combination. Now we know that the total teams is equal to 12 and one game can be played when we choose two teams. So one game at the minimum requires to have two teams. So the number of games that will be played is possible when out of 12 teams we are choosing 2 teams, which is equal to 12C2. This gives us 12 factorial by 2 factorial by 12 minus 2 factorial. This is equal to 12 times 11 times 10 factorial by 2 times 10 factorial. So 10 factorial and 10 factorial gets cancelled. 2 cancels 12 6 times. This gives us 66 games. So the correct answer is option C.